Imagine a world where robots don't just fly, they walk, hop, and leap like birds. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. Meet Raven, a drone that is about to change everything we know about robotics. Inspired by the graceful movements of birds, Raven can seamlessly transition between walking, hopping, and flying, opening up a whole new realm of possibilities. Stick around, because what you're about to see will leave you amazed and thinking, how did we not have this sooner? Let's start with Raven's most impressive feature, its ability to jump into flight. Think about it. No need for runways or launch pads, Raven simply hops into the air like a bird taking off. And here's the kicker, it does this while keeping energy use to a minimum. It's as if we've finally cracked the code to energy-efficient flight. You might be wondering, can it really do all that? Well, yes. Raven's design enables it to take off from a standing position, making it perfect for navigating rough terrain or jumping over obstacles, like your toddler after he just learned how to run. But there's more. Raven weighs only 0.62 kilograms, which means it's lightweight, agile, and capable of doing things other drones simply can't. It's powered by custom avian-inspired legs that mimic the movement of bird limbs. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But it's real, and it's happening now. Created through a combination of mathematical models, simulations, and real-world experiments, this drone is the result of brilliant minds pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So, what does this all mean for the future? Picture this. Raven could be the key to revolutionizing everything from search and rescue operations to environmental monitoring. Imagine a drone that can leap over rubble in disaster zones or fly into hard-to-reach places where other drones struggle. That's not a dream, it's on the verge of becoming reality. Still, there's one thing the team is working on, Raven's landing. As impressive as its takeoff is, it still needs to stick the landing. But don't worry, they're on it. And when they get it right, Raven's potential will go beyond anything we've imagined. Now, I can't help but ask, what's next? Can we expect drones that mimic other animals or perhaps even humans? If Raven is just the beginning, where will this tech take us? It's an exciting time, and we're just getting started. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to dive even deeper into the world of futuristic tech, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for more mind-blowing innovations, check out my next video right here on the channel. You won't want to miss it.